everyone. This video is basically about perspective of lie from a speaker as well as from a listener. So when we think about lie, we basically have one thing in our brain. What is lie? Lie is something that's not fact. The fact not telling or not expressing the factual truth and not expressing the facts that must be conveyed is a lie. So when we think about lie, we always think that lie is bad, lie is a sin, lie is done, and that person is not good, and an individual is not good because he or she is lying. It is not always that way. If we see from a listener perspective, these all things are common and everyone have in their mindset. But when we see this particular thing from a speaker's point of view, it might be different. If we see that how come a speaker is speaking lie and why is he speaking lie, we have to realize the fact to know the depth of that issue and to solve that issue. So basically when I talk about lie, I would like to emphasize that a speaker is lying because a listener never gave enough freedom to speaker to be who he or she is. For example, if your best friend, your sibling, your mother, your child, your father, or anyone is lying anything to you, it's just because, it's mainly because you are not capable of accepting the truth of that person, who he is or who she is. For example, when a child lies that he or she went overnight party with their friends and he or she aims and plans to hide from parents, what is the cause of that? The cause is because the parents are not ready to accept the fact, to listen the fact that yes, my child has gone for overnight party or night stay or whatever they are doing for their party, clubbing, etc. If once a listener begins to accept who the person is, who the speaker is, because the speaker and listener are always changing their platforms. Sometimes the listener will become a speaker in another story and the speaker will become a listener in another story. So the perspective of our lie, right, must be determined on both bases. You cannot just say lying is bad, lying is harmful for a relationship, harmful for a boyfriend or a girlfriend, for a deterioration of a relationship. Yes, everything is acceptable, but why your partner needs to lie? The reason is you have not given enough freedom. You are trying to limit the boundaries of your partner. That is one of the thing, that how perspective of a listener and the speaker in a situation of lie is different. But when we talk about only lie, that why should a person not lie, the thing about this is you shouldn't lie to be yourself. You have to stand firm. You must be steady and say that is accept me who I am, accept me with my flaws. Not, no one is perfect on this earth, on this universe. So you have to be accepted by your loved ones by being yourself. So basically when you lie, you are disturbing your neurons in the brain where all the connections are done with lots of lies to speak. One lie leads to 100 more lies to just cover up that lie. So better speak one truth and free up your brain. Secondly, when you lie, you have a hesitation, and once you are caught, it's a forever distrust and worthlessness in a relationship and a doubt on that trust. So to maintain these things, let the perspective of a listener and a speaker change. Let yourself be accepted who you are so that you do not have to hide. Let the truth come out, to not run away from facts. Let everyone know who you are because everyone has their flaws and their goodness in them. It's just about how it is projected in the society or projected in front of your partner. So please love your partner, accept your sin, which is determined as sin, doing wrongful act, and accept that you did or you committed a mistake. You are not going to repeat, or it's out of control and you are going to repeat it. Whatever the fact is, just accept it with an apology. Let the person know to accept who you are. Let the person accept with all your goodness as well as badness in you. That's all. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, but please like this video if you liked it and share with your friends to change their perspective about lie and why people lie. Thank you.